Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. What's up, familia? This is your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, and welcome to our live trading session. Real quick before we start, familia, please jump in the chat and let us know where you're tuning in from. And let's get that energy pumping, familia. Let's get that energy going. If this is your first time here, welcome to Get Ready Traders. This is the spot to learn, grow, and trade like pros. Show me some love, familia. Please show me some love and hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. That will help this channel to bring more traders like you with our family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you never miss another broadcast. Please hit that subscribe button. All right, familia. The markets are rolling. Let's jump right in. All right. And hello, familia. Hello, everyone. All right. Let me just a second. What's up, Judge? What's up, Jay? The whole family is here. Sorry, I was a little bit late. I had a few things going on that I needed to tackle before I jump in, but we didn't really miss much. The market has been consolidating for some time in the same area. All good. No worries. You guys didn't miss anything, but we're gonna take a quick look at what happened. I said in our VIP group that the market since yesterday did really crazy jumps, and what I see so far, it's not the nicest thing, but we can tackle this. We can make money where it's sitting right now. It's literally just consolidating within the area there, and I am going to adjust my screen a little bit better. All right, let's go. What's up, Jay? All right, let me take a quick look at this. We got a lot of data, which is good. The only bad thing is consolidating, but we are below the daily VWAP. So I am working very hard on updating our indicators, the family of indicators that we build, to show you guys absolutely everything you need to know about the market, where to get in, where to get out, where liquidity is sitting. A lot of information's on the screen right now, and key important information. That's all you need to trade. So what is our indicator telling us? What is everything? What is this entire setup telling us? It's telling us that liquidity is sitting at the bottom. We are below the daily VWAP, means that sellers are in control. They're seeking for liquidity. It went down to the Asia low as that point, but a lot of people misinterpret this. They believe that because it went down here, liquidity is sitting there, therefore it's going to turn into the upside. That's not the way it works, familia. You need to understand that the type of liquidity that is sitting, that is expected to be sitting here, are mainly stop losses of this entire uprise here. But traders that have started trading here in Asia already started hitting trailing stops all this entire area, and that's why you see when London started coming down, was already wiping up all this liquidity that was built here. So if the price doesn't react to areas like this, most likely it will try to pull down to lower areas in the market where there's resting orders, bigger resting orders, to execute and that get the liquidity needed to move to the next direction. All right, that's how you need to read the market. No questions asked about that. So it's sitting there consolidating. If it's sitting there consolidating, familia, it's because there's absolutely nothing. It's going to keep seeking for more liquidity. It's going to keep seeking for more liquidity, and somewhere across this entire area, because there was a big gap, it will probably come to the 50% of this entire area, which is going to be somewhere around here. The bunch of resting orders here. So we are definitely in a bearish market today. We have to tackle it and make money going short. So our bias should go in short, but we need to be careful, because in any point the market can find a resting order, push the market up. Okay, So very clear, already broke the structure. Let's see if this is an engineer move or not. How can you not fall into any of these traps? It's just understanding what happened in the past. You guys see this big gap here. There's really not a lot of information. Most likely the price will fall down seeking for a big order. If there was something here, like liquidity build here, probably it would be a fake movement, wiping it out and pushing back up. There's nothing there. So the price is going to keep falling down, seeking for this information that we talk about. So I'm gonna, as simple as just sell on a pullback. There's a nice fair value gap here. I'm gonna just sell on that fair value gap on a pullback. We gotta keep selling, probably even higher around here. My God, I hope this boat doesn't leave me behind. He's already closing orders and seeking for more orders. When he pushes back up, it's because already found something. If there's no momentum pushing the market back up, it's going to seek for the next area. That's why I want to go in a pullback, because a pullback will clear any resting orders that are here, and most likely the price will fall down even further, seeking for more. Sometimes these pullbacks are not too strong, so we're missing good pullbacks. I see here around this area. Where is this? Hold on. 24,518. 24,518. Okay, I'm going to sell there. Let's see. All right. Focus in selling the market, familia. Focus in selling the market. If it pushes back inside the Asian low, then I'm gonna hit a stop loss. I'm not gonna pull this for too long. And right now we're looking for intraday trades. Okay, mostly intraday. Okay. Thank you so much, all of you do for us. Oh, it's all good. What's up, Wayona? Good morning, familia. Good morning, Victor, the one and only, the best. Tony. What's up, Tony, Lisa, the entire family's here. All right, let's keep. It looks like he wants to push back up. I'm going to sell again there. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. See, I hope it's not a fake move. I am in a sell. Going short. All right, remember, familia, if you are new into the broadcast, you can join our free VIP group and learn about this amazing Elliott wavecraft. Just join us, clicking that barcode over there, scanning that barcode on your phone, and we should be able to join us. All right, thank you so much, and please, familia, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Don't miss it. Hit that like button. And subscribe if this is your first time. Amazing. All right, so this thing wants to push back up, and I am not going to be. 1 second, I'm trying to read something here quickly. I'm not gonna be pushing these trades for too long. I'm gonna cut them short in case that they go wrong. Okay. Bears should be kicking ass. Bears, come on, Bears. What is AI telling us? AI, what is AI telling us? The volume is really slow. That's the part that I don't like right now. But Forex Factory, we had some events happening already at 8:30 a.m. 8:30. There you go. Came a little bit higher. That's not a big deal. These news events are not that crazy, so not much going on. So the market tomorrow, we are expecting to have a big event tomorrow, FOMC. So that's why, like a day like today, I'm truly expecting that the market will consolidate a lot. It's not gonna be pushing into anything crazy. So a lot of consolidation. That's all I'm expecting to see in the market. And it went back into the area, so I'm gonna be closing this transaction. I'm not gonna extend this for too long. 1 second. Looks like it wants to do a pullback. Hitting that EMA here, I'm gonna actually do my final step loss trade. I enter the market again right out of this adaptive EMA, selling the market. That's my final contract. So I'm putting 3 contracts in this transaction. All right, it's going down, going down, going down. Push down, my friend, push down. Push down, push down, push down. I'm adjusting the indicator to have every single tool you guys need. If you turn on the configuration as well, you can come and enable now where to put your stop losses and take profits. Show the dynamic stop loss line. Just click that. This is for scalping, and if you want to show the pullback zone, you can see all this information. Should enable these 3 things, and now it will change a little bit, showing you more stuff. I know it's a little bit overloaded, but you can manage all this stuff here. Okay, I like to, because I'm already seeing this area, I don't need it, so I'm gonna be turning off this too. And you can adjust it however you want, but now I'm giving you areas for stop losses and take profit. Okay, the blue lines, the purple lines on the very top and the bottom will be your edges. Okay, we can 1 second, my computer is extremely overloaded. Pushing back up. So let's say you're selling. Oof, this is coming hard. It's coming hard. It's coming like it's hot. So let's say you're selling, right? The limits here, that should be your stop loss. This should be your take profit. Okay, let me see. I'm still in this sell, and it looks like it was a fake movement here. All good. We cannot win them all. All good. I'm not hitting a stop loss yet. My stop loss is gonna be right on this edge, okay? Above this edge. And my take profit will be in this one here. If it hits this, I'm out. If it hits this, I'm out. Going down like it's hot, going down like it's hot, going down like it's hot. Come on. Go down like it's hot, not go up like it's cold. All right, all right, all right, all right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We are below the daily VWAP. We should be looking for sales at all times on pullbacks. This is a pretty good pullback there to sell, but I took a sell here and a sell here as well. So right now I am, as soon as it hits here, I'm gonna be closing partials, obviously, because now I got. And I wish I can show you both the screens of what I'm taking and what I am not in this too. Because in my broker, maybe I should be trading from here instead. Thing is, on TradingView, compared to TradOvate, this is a little bit slower, and I like to take my trades and close them really fast. Come on now, come on. Push, 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 push. And sorry, I am not reading the chat. I got so much on the screen right now. Come on, give me some happy dance. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Profit, profit, come on, profit. Push, 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 push. And profits, come on, come on. Push, 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 push to the blue line. 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 There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Come on, a little bit more. Ah, Jesus. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Push, 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 push. Ah, not up. It's coming. As a move of the market, familia, my thing here is this: if this is an Elliott wave 1 and this is an Elliott wave 2, it's gonna do an Elliott wave 3 pushing up. That's what I'm watching very closely. And here is a very good position to close the trade at 88%. And literally, I was there by a hair. By a hair. Now it's turning. Oh, what? What just happened? Interesting. That's weird. Didn't even realize my transaction got closed. And I'm not sure why. At least one of them. With the trading stock problem. Interesting. Let me move my shot here. I need to do that. Del Pueblo Media Group, what's up, my friend? Hey, familia, what's up? What's up? It is dancing in the rain. Not moving. As I said earlier, familia, this market is really crappy right now. It's not the best. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Mine too. Mine closed because it was in profit. I wasn't even looking at the screen. When I looked, it actually closed with $22. But there's another one that didn't execute because I opened three transactions actually, and it closed one, but not the other ones. So is it gonna go? Like, what is it gonna do? Whenever you can, familia, get the latest update of the script for your PLC premium liquidity zone indicator for TradingView. I just did an update. I was coding it from like 4 a.m. was doing a bunch of updates and a bunch of different things, improvements. It should be where I want it right now. I don't think I'm gonna be making any updates for it at the moment. I added everything needed for you guys to see. Okay, in profit again. Come on. Hit me hard, hit me hard, hit me hard, hit me hard. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh man. It doesn't want to come to our it literally came There you go. There you go. In profit, in profit, in profit, in profit. There you go. Fantastic. Fantastic, familia. Fantastic. Money, 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 money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Money, 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 money. Quick scalp, familia. Quick scalps. I'm out. I'm completely out. He closed all my trades here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are on fire. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Venta, 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 venta. Let's go, my friend. Let's go. Money. This is an Elliott wave 2. This is what I'm watching because the market could turn completely and start pumping to the upside. It is 11:18. All right. So far so good. So we did some nice money, but it could turn completely to the upside. And that's what I'm watching. But for those who already made some money on this trade, we can have our happy dance. I need my choreography person, Quentin. Quentin, where are you, my friend? Quentin, Quentin. I don't feel you, brother. What happened with the Houston Astros last night? Oh man, look at that. Elliott wave 3 formation. So how can we catch an Elliott wave 3 formation here? I'm gonna show you guys. So basically all you need to do is just measure from the top to the bottom. And it's hitting that OT, 70.50. From that point, it can turn completely into start pumping up. And that will be a good Elliott wave 3 to catch. But what will be how can we catch a good Elliott wave 3? And Elliott wave 3 consists of another 5-point system pushing back up. So this is a good sign. This that happened just now is a good sign. But it didn't leave any fair value gaps behind. So what we do, oh, there you go. And speaking of you know who, fair value gap, fantastic. Elliott wave 3 formation. So we need to have a pullback for an Elliott wave 2, and that will be our activation for the market to start pushing up. This is an Elliott wave 3 formation. This is what you guys have to catch. Okay? So that is very good. Right on the money. Right on the money. And so basically what you do at this point, if you're gonna go long, this is what you do. Put your stop loss here, pushing at least to the VWAP. Honestly, I don't care about the final TPE. If from one area to the next, that's a 1 to almost 5 R&R. Buy the market now, familia. Get into this position here and buy the market. Put your stop loss right where I show you. Oh my god, I think I already did the move. And let's catch that. Let's catch that wave. Oh man, anybody got this? Because already executed to the upside. And when you do this, always close 1 to 1. Oh my god, I think already it went too fast. Oh man, already did the move so quick. It went too quick. It went too quick. Elliott wave 3. It did the push, fair value gap, came for the activation and pushed the market up within a second. That's how quick it was. And there we close 1 to 1. It already hit TP1 within like less than a minute. That was an aggressive move from buyers. Oh my goodness. All we gotta do is wait and wait. All we gotta do is wait and wait. Come on. Well, people will be thinking, okay, Luisito, what about if it comes back down? Should I get again inside the way the price move is by closing orders. If it goes back down, probably the move already happened. It might be seeking for more liquidity, not exact to the exact point that we were talking about, but probably a little bit lower. All right, so just watch how it comes down. Because sometimes if the price is not coming to you, the price is seeking for liquidity, and liquidity was already clear here. So you have to think, where is the next resting orders? If already closed this, if already came and executed that, where is the next one? It's not going to come to the same position. It might be somewhere else, probably below here. You guys understand that? That's how the price moves. That's the fuel of the market. Money, liquidity, cash, okay? Resting orders, stop losses. That's how the market fuels. So where is your stop loss right now for this trade? Here. You're probably gonna come. The market's probably gonna come, wipe you, and then push the market up. So if you are thinking that way, then your entry should be somewhere here. Right? Right. That's how hedge funds act on the market. They put their stop losses, their entries mainly where your stop losses. There you go. That's why I close always 1-to-1, just to make sure that I secure my bag. In most cases, probably like 6 out of 10 trades that I do this, they go into SL, because these are usually traps that are happening in the market. I secure my bag 1-to-1, so I win this trade, but a lot of times it goes 1-to-1 and then push goes down into the SL, because what I just explained to you guys. It's just trapping a lot of people. This is what a day like today, I call it I watch the traps, because they're everywhere. Tuesdays, that's what it's good for. A lot of engineer move, a lot of traps into the market, a lot of crazy things just to hit retail traders. And then you got these big guys on the internet say no, because retail traders, the money that they put in is very little. We don't care about that. Right, my friend? Who's paying you to say that? All right, let's go. What up, familia? What up? What up? What up? How are we doing today? How are we doing today? I am I don't even know where I am. Right into the airport. Tony, please don't leave us. Take us with you to the airport. She's coming home to the Big Apple. What's up, Tony? My goodness. There you go. There you go, familia. It's coming. It's coming for that imaginary stop loss and kick your guys on a... But again, I moved my entry to the bottom. Okay. Waiting for the market to come. Ramp, do this, and then push back up. And gonna be riding that wave again. You're not gonna get us. You're not gonna get us. We got the power of Jesus behind us. We got the power of Jesus behind us. Jesus is putting his brothers and sisters together in one room to trade and change the world. Come on. We are in a mission, familia. We are in a mission here. One day at a time. Let's go, my friends. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go down. I'm trading because I'm trading against a trend. I'm going to do a step lot entry. Okay. A step lot entry there. I'm trading against a trend. So step lot only. The trade that we took yesterday, for those who guys who were online with us, it went out after like 6 hours. It actually ended up in the positive side, but I was in a very deep negative. And the only way I was able to win on this trade was only because of proper risk management. Proper risk management. And what I keep saying to everyone, just trade with a small contract. Just trade with really small contracts on any account size. Let that market flow, because it's going to repeat itself in the same positions over and over. Like for my main entry, the price went really far, really far, but I did a step lot on it. So I took several positions as the market was going against me in key positions. So when the market went and pulled down to wipe all that liquidity, guess what? Guess who was waiting on the other side? Luisito, right? If I had big contracts wanting to have a home run, I would have been out of that trade long ago. I literally was in that trade for over 6 hours. It was an intraday trade, not even a scalping at that point. But I was seeing the movement of the market and how things were flowing. And I understood exactly what it was doing. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna wait for my opportunity and hit it. That's what I did. I knew my limits. I knew exactly where I was going to get out, and that's all I was doing. I know a lot of people that yesterday failed pretty bad. A lot of people. Hey Maya, what's up? Nice to have you around, Maya. How's your day so far? For those folks that are around the world, thank you for joining us. I know it's really late for you guys, and you guys are doing an extremely hard effort to be here. I know that. But congratulations and welcome. Oh my goodness. I got messages everywhere. Everywhere. It's coming for us, familia. It's coming for us in our entry here. Remember, I'm doing a step lot. A step lot on this account. Just wait. And you guys see how it really works with now with what I added here. Take profit, entries, take profit, entries. If you sold here, you take profit there. If you buy here, you take profit there. That's the way it works. But again, familia, the market is going to be consolidating all day. Because tomorrow is a big day. It's a big day, so don't expect that the market's going to be running away too far from our areas, okay? I'm doing a step lots in these trades, very small contracts, and the market will come back. It will come back to the daily VWAP as close as it can. I am buying right now as the market is coming down. I am buying one contract at a time, and my stop loss is exactly what I mentioned right here. Let's see. What's up, Price? He mean like a rock star. Come on. Maya, you're forgetting something, Maya. You're forgetting to hit that like button. Media group, why? Well, okay, if you're selling from the very top, yeah, you're good. But be careful, all right? And it's a very good trade because this is what you actually should be looking for, to sell. We are trading with the trend going down. So I'm doing a step lot because I'm trading against the trend. But if you're selling from the top to the bottom, good choice, as long as you know what you're doing. That's very smart. Remember, we make money the market going up and down, whatever it goes. I'm thinking more of a liquidity sweep here, coming like this, and then going up. But it can react to this at any point. But if you're selling from here, I gave you the entries already on the, yes, I said, follow this line, sell on the top, buy at the bottom, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. But focus in selling because we are below the daily VWAP. This is the daily VWAP here, right? We are below the daily VWAP, meaning that the market, it is in a downtrend, okay? And this here is just showing you the path, the path. You know, I love to throw my channels, and this is a dynamic channel, okay, that I created for you guys. So why am I buying on my way down? I'm doing a stop loss, so my contracts are super small because I know that the market is going to be consolidating, so it's going to push back up. So I know my limits. My limit is right here, okay? If it does come with a big push trying to create another lower low, I'm out, totally fine. But the market is going to react and push it back up. Where? I have no idea. Across this entire area, there's a bunch of liquidity that it's just wiping everything up, and at any point it can come up. That's what the market does when it's consolidated. So when it's consolidating, you buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. And this is what I see here. I'll show you in the 5-minute time frame. See these areas? Boom, boom. It's hitting that limit there. But let's see. The 15 minutes, and there's a big gap there. Wow. The market should come at least to this here, at least to the 50% on the sell for the entire day. I hope it does that. I hope it does that. If it goes back up here, I'm out of the trade and I am then switching my hat again. I am selling, okay? But it needs to go to the blue line here. This is what I want. I want the price to come to the blue line here. Not blue. What color is that? Purple? Purple. Like that song from Prince, Purple Rain. Yeah, Purple Rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Come on, push up. Just waiting, just waiting. And Lisa, because I'm doing very small contracts, my account can resist any pullback right now. Any pullback. Came to our entry, our main entry right there. So if you're buying with me, let's go. It came to our main entry. You might just do this like a little gown, like wham, boom. Nice for you. Come on, baby. Ooh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Doing what I just mentioned. It's doing this. It did another lower low. It should find reaction to it and then do a pullback. The pullback that I want to get into. There you go. There you go. There you go, market. Beautiful market. That's what you needed. So why are you still pushing down? You see, familia? There you go. Come on now. Push up. It came right to our entry. Right into our entry. Right into our entry. So familia, if you guys are into this one, make sure you take profit here, okay? I am in profits right now because I took 3 trades and not for so much, just little profits. And I will be closing all my trades here, okay? And then considering to selling again around this area. There you go. Right on the money. Right on the money. It was like a sniper shot. Like, all right, like, what are you doing? Just push up. Push up. Push up. Push up. There you go. Push up, 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 up. Right into our TP. Come on, TP1, 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 TP1. There you go. There you go. There you go. TP1, 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 TP1. There you go. TP1, TP1. Let's go. You see my friend? You see my friend? TP1, TP1, TP1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One push, one more push. To the up, up. Not down. Wait, what the heck? Oh man. Literally, guys, I can't believe this. It came like by an inch to my TP1. My trailing stop activated, so I'm good. It's kicking me out of the trade. Oh man, it kicked me out of my trades. In profits. But I wanted to close partials there. Ah, jeez. Not close to, oof, that's it. It's coming down hard. It's coming down. I wanted to sell here. I wanted to sell up there, but it didn't come to my entry. It kicked me out because trailing stop activated. I was just too close to hit my TP1, but trailing stop activated and got me out of the market automatically. Man, let me delete this. I don't want to create confusion here. Again, we should be focusing selling the market because we are below the daily view up. Okay, on pullbacks, and I'm gonna delete this so you guys don't get confused. You see here, like, it tells you like who's dominating, right? Sellers are dominating. So if I sell on another pullback, this wasn't a good sell to take, but didn't even come close to where I wanted to sell. I'll go full blast. I'm not gonna do a step lock. okay? Because this market looks like it's going to collapse right into that 50% of that big gap. That's what it looks like it's aiming to go to. That big gap from yesterday. It was so much buying power yesterday. It was ridiculous. A lot of buyers kicking in hard. So you can only buy so much. Creating historical higher highs. Historical higher highs. I am not in any trade yet. I want to get in again on another pullback, but close to this area here to sell the market. It's gonna be doing this up and down so much. It already created another lower low in this downtrend, already reaching again the edge of our line here. But we should be buying selling the market on the pullback again. To get a pullback, it means that it needs to find an execution somewhere here, somewhere. If it doesn't find it right now, it will seek for it in a much lower point. And or if an institution, hedge funds, or whatever is out there, an investor, put in a execution on the market on an order block. And if that happens, then you're gonna see a big candle pushing up. That usually happens when the market is consolidating. If it's consolidating, then yeah, you're gonna wait for an order block. But when the market is like trending this way, to find a big candle pushing up, it needs to seek for it. It needs to push down, find it, and then boom, that will be the reaction, right? But if the market is not doing that, and if it is just trending, the hard stop will be an order block pushing up or a consolidation, and then order block pushing up. Because if it doesn't find an order block, the order block will, the market will continue to get discounts, pushing the market lower and finding these transactions that we are looking for. Okay, this is a nice pullback of the market. A nice pullback of the market. Sellers are in control. Okay, so don't think that this is it, that this is a turning point. Sellers are in control. You will know when buyers are in control when you see big candles pushing to the upside. Big candles pushing to the upside. I'm waiting for my opportunity, and probably will be my entry again in the upside here. That yellow line, that blue line, to sell the market. Okay, come on. All right, I am not in any trade yet. I'm waiting for my entry point and the blue line. Yeah. You see this placement here that created this big candle, this fair value gap. It's a good sign for buyers to kick in. I am going to sell it. I'm going to sell again. Double top there. I am selling. Okay. My stop loss is going to be short position. I enter here. Stop loss should be here. That's a good stop loss. Should be, but I'm gonna be aiming to this point here. It's a long way to go. It's a long way to go, but I don't care about the final TP. I really don't care. I really don't care about the final TPs. Even though this is a nice pullback. This is a nice pullback of the market. Let's see. What I like to do when I see these conditions of the market, I like to put my trends. Okay, here I got, yes. I like to do that. So, all right, and gonna be closing 1-to-1 partial trades. 1-to-1 right here. Before that, I'm gonna do it before that because there's a fair value gap that could push the market back up. Okay. ¿Qué pasa del pueblo? ¿Qué pasa? What's up? Yeah, selling, my friend, selling. That's the way to go. Selling, 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 selling. We are selling, my friends. On a pullback. You would say, Luisito, but why? Like, I take advantage of the movement of the market wherever it goes. If I'm trading with the trend, I'm going full risk on this trade. If I'm trading against the trend, I'm trading a stop loss. And I make money both ways, either the market going up or down. As long as I understand where I am in the market, right? You were asking, okay, Luisito, why are you selling? Why are you buying if the market is selling? I started buying around here in the middle point. It could have just turned and pushed the market up in a negative way. But as it was coming down, I was buying because I knew my limit. Last bought was here when I pushed the market back up, and I got up there, got me in profit. And all these trades that I opened at the bottom, trailing stopped this entire trade pushing the market up. When the market did a pullback, he got me out. All right. All right, familia. You guys understand that? But I'm giving you guys a trade that you guys should be following. It's selling, okay? But at any point, this thing can turn and go back into the daily VWAP. It just can turn and go back into the daily VWAP. It's 1150. I got so many. Okay, I need to switch an account here quickly. Right, it came right into the TP1. My trade already closed. TP1, partial trades. All right, so when that happens, I don't care anymore. The trade can do whatever. TP1 on this trade from top to bottom. So again, my friends, again, making more money, money, TP1. And I don't care. At this point, I move my stop loss to break even. The market can come and do whatever. Don't care. What I do know is that money, nobody can take it away from me. Nobody can take it away from me. No way, senor. No way, no way. Oof. Ay, ay, ay. I just saw an explosion. Maya, how are you, Maya? Maya, what are you up to? You have been trading for so long now. You probably like filthy rich right now. Maya, remember to always share the love, my friend. Don't trade alone. When I try to close one contract and I keep one open, it closed both. No, it just closed one. You what? Let's say you have two contracts, right? You are selling. You open one contract as a buy position, and then you just lower it down, and boom. When it goes back, boom, it takes you out. That's it. But you leave one contract open. So what you do, you for that one contract that is open, you do open another one, and put a sell order because no a buy order and put it over your entry, so when that goes up it will kick out the pen whatever is there too. It will kick both out. You see, I'm out completely. It closed both transactions that I had. I'm out completely out of that trade. See why it's important, that TP1? If you don't do it and you just keep doing that over and over, and then you reach where you want to go and you get out. You don't need to be trading or stuck to the graphs. And let's say you made already your whatever your goal, you take off. I'm going low today because all the crazy things that are happening. My 150K account, I got 24 of them. I already did $900 something, 950, and I'm trading now all the other accounts that I have to pass. It's just really slow because you guys see it. I mean, you guys see it how it is every morning. It's getting very tight and very hard to work on these accounts. I don't think I'm gonna be doing more passing for now. It's taking too much of my time, especially because I'm doing manually. After this one, I'm not gonna be doing this for some time. What we're gonna be doing will be account management for sure. Later on, not now. We got too much going on, and I need to finish everything, especially with our automation for the bot that we are creating. I want to get that going because the bot is really good, and when you have that running itself, that's it. It's a turnkey. Interactive broker is really good. By the way, my familia, I'm still waiting for these people to approve my accounts on the challenge thing. Not sure what's going on. I gotta send them more papers again. If anybody has a good broker, what is this? Oh. If anybody has a good broker, make sure that you can send it to me over the text, and I can take a look at it. Okay. Oh, cool. My daughter is also looking into this stuff. She, as you guys know, she is Canadian, not Dominican, and she also needs a broker, a good broker that will allow her to trade in Canada and United States, no problem. But the brokers that we're looking for are mainly brokers with 1 to 1,000 RNR. If you can, no, leverage. If you can find one, let us know. We're more than happy to trade with this stuff. Okay. Luisito, bro, what's up, man? The NAS is going down. Wow, what do you think? NAS is going down. Yes, NAS is going down. What's your name? The Pueblo Media Group. I'm lost. I am very lost. Okay, it's going back down again. Went back into the area. And I am not trading this. Habibi. Your name is Habibi. You're not Habibi. Come on. You know what's Habibi, man? You're not Habibi, bro. Stop that. Habibi. No, you're not Habibi. You're not Arab, man. You're not Habibi, bro. Come on. What is your name, my friend? Habibi. It's going down again. It went back into the entry, took me out of the trade, and just going back. And now it's probably going to create another lower low. Probably. I have no idea. Del Pueblo Media Group, you speak Spanish, so don't tell me your name is Habibi. You're not Habibi. Spanish people don't call themselves Habibi. You're not Arab, okay? There you go. There you go. There you go. Just say it. Say your name. Say your name. Da, 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 da. Say your name. Say your name. Going back to the same spot, but we are as I said, familia, in a downtrend market. You're not Habibi Salam, man. Come on. You're probably Habibi Salami. Yeah. Habibi Salami, that should be your name, not Habibi Salam. No, you're not Arab, man. Stop it. Stop it now. You probably eat mango and salami. You're probably more Dominican than me. All right, let's go. Habibi Salami. Mr. Salami, that's what I'm gonna call you, Mr. Salami. Come on. It hit TP1 twice, but I'm not in that trade anymore. It kicked me out. Kulikita kati, kulikita kata. Come on. Let's go. Let's make some money. Money. Can't believe it is noon already. Time is flying. I've been up here since so early in the morning. So your name is you add something Arab like in every single response that you have. Habibi. First it was Habibi. Now Habibi Salam. Now Habibi Salam Alab. What else are you trying to add to it? Habibi Salam Alab. You're not Habibi Salam Alab. All right, so it's going back up. Why? Proch. Proch is going up. Why? Why? Habibi Salami. Habibi Salami. Why is going up? It failed to create another lower low. It's a good sign of a market turning point. Unless it comes and start consolidating there. Wait for another block to push the market up. Come on, Habibi Salami. Mr. Salami. You're out now. Very good. I take profit. Very good. Very good, my friend. Very good. if you are Mr. Habibi, I am Mr. D's. Call me Mr. D's. But my last name is not Nuts. Let's see. All right, you got to sell the market, familia. Sell the market. It's coming down. Probably going to create another lower low. It's going to go to that 50%, I guess. Yeah, it's going to go to that 50% around here. Once you reach that number, it can truly turn up. So, my goodness, familia. There you go. If you guys still selling, we are in a downtrend, making all the money in the world. Oh my goodness, my coffee is over. I need more coffee. I need more fuel. You guys here, we'll connect soon. Already reached New York? Oh my goodness. Tony, who took you home? Superman? Jesus. She was in Puerto Rico in a second, then the other second New York. Oh my God, I wish I can fly like that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Selling the market, familia, selling the market. Selling the market. Toot, toot. I'll show you guys the point of interest. The point of interest is at 50% of that gap. From that point, it can turn and go all the way up. Okay. So what do you do? How you manage this trade? Familia, like the way you manage this trade is the way that everybody in the world is managing this trade. You trail stop this entire session. This entire session you trail stop it. That's it. Every time you create a point like this, you're putting your stop losses. You pull your stop losses down. So let's see, this is a ladder going down. So it should be okay. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. One there, two there, three there, four there. So these are the points that the market is coming after, though. So if you started here, most likely there's no transactions anymore there. So the next ones are there. That's how liquidity has been built. So when the market turns, because it's going to turn back up, it's going to be seeking for those points there that I'm showing you. It's going to be seeking for these points. When the market turns, because it's going to turn at one point, going up again, it's going to be seeking for these points. Okay? Because whoever started the transactions here, including even here from this drop, is trailing stop this entire thing going down. So liquidity is being built here. Okay? The market is going up there. Well, did it come to the 50%? Still a little bit. Still have a little bit more room to move down, my friend. It's following the channel. That's what I did earlier. I bought when it was supposed to come down, but then it came down, put me in a negative, and then pushed back up. Right? You can take a buy there, but only step lot. You cannot take a full risk trade on this, because it is a market that is coming down, and you don't have a confirmation that it's going up yet. I created the bot using Python script. Python. That's why we're doing interactive brokers, because interactive broker allow you to run your Python scripts. Okay. Habibi Salami. Are you in our group? You should come to our group. And if you are not in our group, please take your phone and scan our barcode for our Edit Wave group trading. You're probably in there. All right. So nice pullback, nice pullback, nice pullback. We have been dancing this entire time. Didn't even realize it. We were dancing because you guys are making money on that sell, but make sure you come also and join us in our WhatsApp group. Just scan that barcode there, okay? Scan the barcode and join us. Is this a turning point? Can't say that it's a turning point because no fair value gaps are created. Not yet. Just a really good pullback. And remember, familia, if you are new to this group, you can hit that subscribe. Just take that thing and click on it. And hit that like button, familia. Please hit that like button. That will help YouTube to find traders like you and have them to join us and make money and just become part of the big familia that we got here. And yeah, it's been always a pleasure to meet a lot of really nice people. All right, so it's going back up for a little bit. I will be selling the market again in our area here, back into the blue line. Fantastic. That's right, Wyona. We all love our fantastic family. Everybody's very supportive. And we have a lot of information to share all the time. I had an important phone call. I made money on that. Nice. Very good, Wyona. Very good. Very good. Very good. So now let's see if the market is going to do another lower low or not. But selling the market on the blue line here. Not blue, purple. Is it purple? Remember, I am a little bit blind too. So, Keisha Gonzalez, what's up, Keisha? Welcome, 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 Keisha. Keisha, you can join us just clicking or use your phone and scan that barcode. It will take us to our free WhatsApp group for you to join us and be part of this amazing, amazing, amazing familia. All right. Thank you, Keisha. Thank you so much. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Don't be afraid. Hit that like button. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. What is AI saying? Let's see. AI didn't find any good opportunities earlier. Let's see. What is Mr. AI telling us now? AI, it is says to buy the market. Oh. Huh, interesting. I want to sell on a pullback back into this area. If we break this, it's gonna be a turning point, a very good important turning point for Elliott wave traders. This is an Elliott wave 1, a completely Elliott wave 1. Don't see any fair value gaps there. It created another low here, so there's gonna be a point where the market is gonna come down again. Let's wait for it. Oh man, long day. It's already noontime, so the volume might be dying for a little bit until in the afternoon, maybe 2 o'clock. Ready? Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. It's doing clean, fair pricing, which is a good thing. It's very easy trading. Very easy trading. It's waiting for the market now to collapse and creating another lower low. Let's see. Let's see. If it break this trend, this path here, this pattern, if it breaks it, should be getting out of this trade because it's probably gonna be seeking for the daily VWAP. It's, as long as it's inside the channel, we're good. So what are you doing, Price? What are you doing? You going to surprise me? Okay. It should be creating another turning point and failing to it, or creating another lower low. If it breaks the channel, that's it. Game over for this. But I'm not sure if it's gonna do that now. The two EMAs are crossing here. Not yet. Just fighting the zone. Fighting the zone, fighting the zone, fighting the zone. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Let's see if it's gonna turn and go down or not. Because if it does break this, then it's gonna come really low. Really low. I hope so. Continuation to the channel. Just fighting the zone there a lot now. Interesting. Very interesting what he's doing. You must do what you gotta do. I am in a sell. I sold exactly where it is right now. The very top on that. I sold here on that point. It should come at least back into this area or around here, and then either fail to do another lower low or just push it lower. If it does break this and continue, it's probably gonna skyrocket. This I can probably lower it down a little bit because I don't want to be in that trade for too long. It's a sign of the market not continuing inside the channel. So you don't want to fall into a fake breakthrough and then pushing the market down. This is interesting. It's good the fact that it's not breaking it, because again, if it doesn't find more buyers, it's gonna get another discount and push the market down. Doing what it's expected to do. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. Come on, Oompa Loompa. Push the market down. Oh man, got a sign to buy. Like all my indicators are saying, hey, buy, 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 buy. That's why I got a tight stop loss. Now. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Don't fail here. Push lower. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys so you understand the levels. Boom. If it goes down, that's what I said. It should come at least to that 61%. If it doesn't create another lower low, it should come back into this area. The 38% is not valid. I don't like it. It should come at least to these areas here, or even lower, and that will be a clean Elliott wave 3 start, pushing the market back up in a recovery mode. Okay, that's what I understand of the market. That's what I understand it should be doing, and I'm not seeing a continuation pattern. There's not a continuation flag either. If it does break it and push it back up, that's it. If it does break this area here, I just don't like the fact that this is at 38%. I don't like it. And I'm talking about Elliott waves pushing the market back up. Okay, that's what probably we should be looking at, but knowing the market, this could just drop like both to this area, to the blue line here. This is what I'm gonna be taking profit on the back on the blue line here. And when I say take profit, I close partials, let the market do whatever it's supposed to be doing. Alright. There you go. Come on. Come on, now it is a valid. It is at the the 50%. That is valid for the market to retrace. You guys see 50%. It came to the 50%. It is a valid Elliott wave 3 formation that can do that and push the market up and break all that area. Let's see if it's gonna actually do the Elliott wave, push it lower, because it did. Now you guys know I don't like the 38%. I don't like them, but the 50% are valid, totally valid. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just being very technical right now of what the market is doing. It can go poof, push down, push it to that 70%, and then poof, skyrocket up, or create another lower low, just in case. Oh man, I don't like what this market is doing. I really don't. Now what it's doing, it is a continuation flag. It is a continuation flag. It's probably gonna skyrocket up there. It is a continuation flag, and this could turn to the upside. Let's see. Honestly, based on what I see right now, I should be even lowering down my stop loss, just to prevent a thing. Is if it's a fake movement of the market, it can turn even here and push down. That's why I left it there, just to make sure that we're not falling into a trap and we're close to the transaction too early. It doesn't matter. I know how much I'm risking. It is a continuation flag. What it's doing now. Now it's turning into a continuation flag. Oh man, it did hit that 50% there. And that is valid. As I said, I don't like 38%. 50, 61, 70 are good. Are good points of for an Elliott wave 3 formation. My Lord. Father, have some mercy and give us the numbers. Truly, this trade is like getting me in and out of profits. It is doing a continuation flag. It might just continue pushing higher. This part that I don't like. Or it could be consolidating like this until it touches the channel and then poof. Or poof. It is creating liquidity here. It is creating liquidity here. Transactions that are being placed and just stop losses here or stop losses there. Depending to which direction the market will go from here, liquidity will be placed below or above these areas. Okay? So take into consideration how much is consolidating here, because that will tell you how many resting orders will be placed based on the stop losses. He's probably gonna find an OB. He's gonna get an OB around this area and take on either the downside or the upside. And for what I know about this pattern, usually Usually you would do this. You go like this, boom, hit it top and then down. That's what I've seen in these patterns before. Oh. Oh man. Let's wait. Habibi, Habibi. Habibi, salami. Not working out this way I want it. Let's see. Turning point for the price. Elliott wave 3 in the making. Okay, this is a valid 50% there. That's it. Game over. Game over. Continuation flag. That's exactly what I mentioned. But it's hitting the blue line. Average pricing. It's hitting that blue line. The area that I mentioned that it breaks, fake movement, then push it down. Let's see. But if it's an Elliott wave 3, then we're looking at a very far position to go, hitting our stop loss. Oh my god, at least our stop loss. Let's see. There you go. My goodness. My goodness. Come on now. Come on now. See? Man. Remember what we see what I draw for you guys? Exactly how it was. Telling you, this market is so messed up. So messed up. And now finding rejection out of the EMA here. This market is so messed up. It's not even an Elliott wave for this, so it could be just a pullback to grab fuel and do an Elliott wave 3. But we will see. There you go, familia. Come on, come on, come on now, come on now. I'm telling you, familia, this market, it is wild, like a turkey right now. It's not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out. It's not going to work out. Average pricing is telling me now this market is going to keep grinding to the upside. What time is it? It's 12:32. But this here It needs to be broken in order for the market to continue doing that, to go into the upside. That's like a wall here. Is it retesting a lot? Remember what I talk about. If you want to know where the market is heading, you start counting how many times it's touching the same area over and over. So you see this point here? This is the area to break. Yes, it's gonna find rejection out of there and just touch it several times. But that's the area that market wants to move and take on. If this is a fake breakthrough, which I doubt it, then it's gonna go really low. But I don't think so. Let's see, liquidity is sitting here, so we went. It's not a stop run. It's not a stop run, not even a stop hunt. As it would have continued pushing higher. But it's not finding any more buyers at the moment, so volume is dying. And the market could fall. If buyers don't kick in, the market can fall. Showing exactly the move that I mentioned. After a continuation flag, fake breakthrough, and then pushing the market, creating another lower low, or even hitting that 61% out of this entire session. So if I take this and I move and I try it, you see 61% now. The 51%, the 50% became a 61%. So it can come and retest this area back again here, making a valid 80 wave 3. It's fighting it. It's just fighting the zone. Now it's fighting the zone. And let me see. If I do this, boom, ba-na-na-na-na, boom, ba-na-na-na-na. There you go. So this is what it's doing. Boom, 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 boom. If we break this, yes, it's coming back inside that area. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go, familia. There you go, there you go. There you go. Come on, push down, deep in profit. Come on, let's go. I am trailing stopping this thing. Ah, come on. Okay, so scenario 2 played pretty good. I am closing these transactions right now. All right, not bad, not bad. That was a nice move. All right, it played out pretty good. Played out pretty good. So everything that I was doing, familia, is looking at alternatives of where the market can move, and I was just picking my mind out. I was too focused into this. You guys see how the market is going now? Pushing down to that 50% that is now at 61%. Finding rejection there, and it's still pushing down. Let's go, man. I'm telling you. Education, my friend, education. That's the key of winning. My God, I was like laser focused into this, understanding all the probabilities. It played out what I mentioned, that it is a continuation flag. Usually make a fake breakthrough. I mentioned that it was coming here and then rejection and pushing the market down to that 50%. When it found rejection again, it came right into the area, pushing the market back up. I'm out of the trade. I managed the trade pretty good. So I am out completely. I don't care what the market will do at this point. But wow. Lots of fuel. lot of fuel on that in that area. Boy, oh boy. All right, familia. All right, we made it. Made it. You guys have any questions? You guys have any questions for us? Any questions, familia? Any questions? I traded already like 4 different accounts. I'm gonna log in into the 5th account. And all right. It could be a turning point now here, doing a negative wave 3 formation, which is good, which is a good sign. So how can we catch this negative wave 3? Again, just gotta, you see this candle pushing back up, that's good. That's a sign that buyers are dominating right now. So you wait for the market to push back down on a fair value gap and then push the market back up. Created the fair value gap right there. My indicator is showing that to you. I'm going to the 5-minute time frame just to eliminate a lot of that noise and let the indicators do the work. That's a pretty good Elliott wave 3 formation there, okay? It is actually pretty good. I think this is the turning point of the market, and whatever you guys do, let's say if you are buying for the afternoon, buying into the afternoon, just aim the daily VWAP and put your stop loss below the lower point here, a little bit lower here. And now you turn this like this, okay? That is a good turning point. What are these people saying here? Right. Alright, so if you want to know where the market wants to head, just count how many times it's touching an area versus an other. See that it's doing this. That's what I say. Always focus in those flats areas, these flats areas. Focus on that. Understand that the market is trying to break it. It's trying to, every time the market comes into these areas, is eating out resting orders until there's no more resting orders, and then the buyers kick in and then push. Just eating out resting orders. If it does come even lower and it doesn't respect that, that's a different story. That's just the purpose of the market, which is going down. Sneeze so bad. Oh. Coming to the entry, coming to the entry. Okay, I am buying the market on a step lot because I'm trading against the market, okay? Buying the market on a step lot. Oh, what did I do here? Why I said 5, not 50. Oh my goodness. All good. All good. I'm out. I did a mistake. I want a 5 contract, not 50. I switched into my other account. And I put 50 contract. That's pretty bad. Alright, I said 5. I'm gonna do another pullback. Let's go. Pull back, pull back, pull back. It's gonna go up. Just gonna buy now. It's gonna buy there now. Leave that transaction running for the rest of the afternoon, just in case. If it does come lower, I'll hit another one. My final trade will be around here. And it has automatic trailing stop too, so it will move the trade. It will trailing stop this entire thing as the market moves up. But if it doesn't, and if it comes lower, I don't want to be in that trade. Anyways, familia, I'm gonna leave this running. I will monitoring this trade the afternoon. I will come back into you guys later on the VIP. Just keep an eye on the chat, all right, familia? If you guys don't have any questions for me, it's been a pleasure. I'll catch you guys later. Take care.
Goodbye.